So this is for anybody out there working on the Canon autozoom 1014 electronic Super 8 film camera. I was trying to find out why it wasn't working. Supposedly it was a bad motor. People say that if the motors are bad that it's no good, but I just wasn't satisfied with that answer. So I've toured the camera down so much that it's gonna be a huge pain to get back together. But I think I did find out what the issue is and how it works. So for future documentation, there's the motor, there's the commutator, where the brushes sit, and on top of that lives this piece here where the brushes are. Sorry, I'm not pointing at it good. Where the brushes are, those blocks on those springs, and the brushes are attached to the green on this side, orange on the other side wires. But the issue on mine, you might see it, is the yeah, there it is. Sorry, the focus isn't good. The solder has pulled out of the little cap here that holds it to the brush, so the brushes were undone. But I'm going to try to resolder that, and hopefully this motor will work again. And the way this motor works is there's a second set of points here, second set of brushes, and those brushes are attached to the blue. No, sorry, the blue and the orange go to the main motor brushes. These second brushes go to the green and black wires, and those go to the speed control circuitry, and they're attached to the bottom of this. This is like another kind of commutator style thing. It's got 2 zones on it, appears, and it goes to these brushes that are up here, or not brushes, weights. That's like a weight style governor, and these 2 weights have a common ground at the tip of this, and it goes to the red wire. So it looks like the red, green, and black wires are for speed control in this camera, and the blue and orange wires that go to the motor on this camera are the ones that actually power the motor winding itself and the brushes. So hopefully that helps people diagnose issues with this camera.